Hello and welcome to AudioCodes Live Platform video tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove a service from an existing Zoom end customer. First, log into your Zoom portal account. We are currently logged into the Zoom portal, viewing our Zoom profile. In the navigation pane on the left, navigate to Number Management, and then select Phone Numbers. Find the specific phone number you want to remove and click on it. Click Unbind, and then click Unbind again to confirm this action. Next, still in the navigation pane, click Provider Exchange. You will see a list of all available providers. Filter this list to find your provider. In this example, we will click on AudioCodes Live. Go to the Synced Numbers tab. Select the number you want to release and click Release Numbers. Ensure that the release is successful before moving on. The final step is to remove the service from the customer within the AudioCodes Live Platform portal itself. We are now logged into the AudioCodes Live Platform dashboard. Click the Services button. Search for the customer by typing their name into the search bar. Check the box located next to the customer's name. Click Delete, and then click Delete again to confirm. And that's it, the service has been successfully removed. For more information, please refer to the following links. Thank you for watching.